Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to implement and write a bubble sort program using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here deb bubble sort, the name of our method, array, and equals length of the array. For I equals range, whatever the value of Rn based on the given parameter of an array here. Number of elements. For j, range 0, n minus ij minus 1 using if statement. If rj greater than rj plus 1 colon rj plus 1 equals rj plus 1 r stands for array, j rj. So array here, we have several values here in random order: negative 67, 336, 23, 15, 21, negative 11, 92. Calling our method bubble sort, we call the variable here array, and then print sorted array of values using for loop statement for I and range length of our array, and then it will display the listed sorted array of values that is being sorted by our bubble sort method. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my website. Let us go to our online GDB. Okay, so let us click the run button to see the output. Okay, here we go. Sorted array of values. You have negative 67, negative 11, 15, 21, 23, 92, and 336. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on bubble sort in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.